Hello, you can see this is our repair laser, and the meter is 808 millimeter, and this 9 and this the 6 is the 650 millimeter. The total device output is 630 milliwatt. Okay, I will show you. Here, just plug in, then the laser will output automatically. The 808 millimeter is the invisible laser, so we can see in the camera we can see a little bit light there, and yeah, see. And we can see this side. We can use the bar to fix the light. That we can fix it on the hand, legs, back, and any part you need to treatment. And if you don't want to use this device, you can plug out from the USB. From the then you can see low laser output.